Hi, and welcome back. In this lecture, we're going to talk about briefly on the identification of the most environmentally friendly or eco-friendly way of garbage decomposition. So one of the things about Industry 4.0, it enables collaboration. For example, scientists and university graduates and researchers can all collaborate with companies and pool in, have like a shared knowledge base on how to develop and what is the most efficient and eco-friendly way of decomposing garbage types. For example, things like plastic. How do we create much more eco-friendly or biodegradable plastics and things like that. So using that shared knowledge, we can come up with the most environmentally friendly way of decomposing garbage. Using cyber-physical systems and things like computer vision, we can really understand what are the types of garbage and how we can decompose it in a much more environmentally friendly manner. So cyber-physical systems can extract that knowledge pool and understand, okay, this is a type of garbage that can be decomposed in this way. So let me sort that out. And as well as on the job, it can learn and it can contribute back into that knowledge pool. So it's a win-win situation for everyone. I'll see you in the next application of cyber-physical systems in Industry 4.0.